powered by BrainyBuyer.com, where real data meets real-world reviews. If our side-by-side breakdowns save you time and money, please tap that subscribe button so we can keep digging for the truth behind the specs. Hey, I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Nexgrill Deluxe 2-burner and the Weber Genesis E-325. What's the deal?
Okay, so right off the bat, the Weber is significantly pricier, around $849, while the Nexgrill is only about $266. That's a huge difference.
Yeah, I noticed that. Is the Weber really that much better to justify the cost?
Well, let's look at the grilling area. The Weber boasts 641 square inches compared to the Nexgrill's 401. That's a considerable jump, especially if you're cooking for larger groups. And the Weber also has 3 burners, while the Nexgrill only has 2, giving more even heat distribution.
Okay, more space and more burners. What about power?
The Nexgrill puts out 28,000 BTUs. I don't see a BTU rating for the Weber, but it highlights its extra-large sear zone with intense heat. So it's probably powerful, but the Nexgrill gives you that straightforward BTU number.
Interesting. What about build quality and materials?
Both have stainless steel elements, but the Weber uses porcelain-enameled cast iron grates, which are known for heat retention. The Nexgrill has porcelain-coated cast iron, which is still good, but maybe not quite as premium. And the Weber also has flavorizer bars, which vaporize juices and reduce flare-ups.
Flavorizer bars sound fancy. What about features?
The Nexgrill has foldable side tables for easy storage, a built-in thermometer, and it can even be converted to natural gas. The Weber also has side tables, a warming rack, and is part of the Weber-crafted outdoor kitchen system, so you can get custom grillware.
So the Weber is bigger, probably more powerful, and has those flavorizer bars. But the Nexgrill is way cheaper and convertible to natural gas.
Exactly. It really depends on your budget and how much grilling you plan to do. If you're a serious griller and need the extra space and features, the Weber might be worth the investment. But if you just want a reliable grill for smaller gatherings, the Nexgrill seems like a solid, cost-effective option. Plus, it's much easier to move around, given it weighs significantly less.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.